Hi, I'm James Croft, and today we're going to be talking about grade items in Connect. So, what is a grade item? Well, it represents an activity that you want to assess students on. It could be linked to a Connect assessment, like an assignment folder, a quiz, or a discussion, but it can also be an offline activity that you conduct entirely outside of Connect. Let's take a look. How many grade items are created in your Connect units may vary. For some units, a grade item might represent an assessment item, where a student may submit multiple attempts. For others, it may only represent a single attempt of an assessment, and your grades tool has 2 grade items for an assessment, one for each attempt. As a basic example, let's look at a single grade item linked to an assignment submission folder. You can see this association next to the grade item on the Manage Grades page. When a submission folder is created, you have the option to also create a grade item linked to it. This means when you mark a student submission, the mark that you give that submission is automatically pushed back into the grades tool. By doing this, the result is counted toward a student's final grade. It also means the student can see their result in the grades tool, along with all their other assessment results. Let's create a grade item now. It's possible to have a standalone grade item, or to link it to one of Connect's assessment tools, like an assignment folder, quiz, or discussion. Like all your Connect tools, the Grades tool is accessible from the Unit Admin area of your unit. From there, navigate to the Manage Grades tab, select New, and then Item. From here, you need to select a grade item type. It's recommended that you use the numeric grade type, as any assignment submission folder, quiz assessment, or accessible discussion requires a numeric type to operate. Even if you're not using them, it's still recommended that you select a numeric type, as this means all of your grades will be of a consistent type, which makes your final grade calculation much easier. From here, we need to assign our grade item a name. I'll call mine Assessment Task Number 4, Workplace Activity. We can give it a short name, which appears in our grade item columns. We can optionally give it an organizational category and a description. In the grading area, we need to assign it a max points value. If you're using the TAFE Queensland schemes, the recommended setting for an item's max points value is 2. This means giving a satisfactory result is a 2 out of 2, an unsatisfactory result is a 1 out of 2, and an ungraded assessment has a result of 0 by default. This just simplifies the marking process. You can optionally set a grade able to be exceeded, like giving 12 out of 10, or assign it as a bonus item, which are calculated over the top of a final grade. It's also possible to exclude a grade from the final grade calculation. Finally, you can set a grade scheme for this item. Using the summative assessment scheme means your results will align to TAFE Queensland's competency-based model. More information on grade schemes is available in our grade schemes video. Let's save and close. We can now see our assessment task 4 has been added, and as a teacher, I'll be able to provide students a grade they can see and Connect for an assessment item undertaken in the workplace. My Grades tool will now contain both online assessment and offline. My students will have a complete picture of their unit assessment in one place.